How to use Life360 application or the website here on your iPhone on Android device. How to simply use this software to track your family members. If you want to track any of your family member, then you can simply add them in this application and track the real-time location and track that where they are. So simply open the application in order to track your family members and click on get started. If you already have an account, you can simply sign in, and then here you have to enter the number to your mobile number, and whenever you will enter your number, you have to verify it by entering your mobile number to it. After you verify, you will be able to simply do this thing right on your mobile device. So let me just enter my mobile number and show you. For the on the home page, you're going to see this type of option where you can simply change your family from here. That is my family. You can create another family of yours, you can join another circle, and then in this family section, like this is a family, you can add members to it, you can track the location, you can put yourself on driving, the safety options are here, crash alert, and all these features will be added here. Emergency contact and the membership, you can take it for the gold about 500 a month and for silver about 300 a month. This is how you can exactly track it and do it the family safe from Life360. Thank you so much for watching this video.